Hello everybody, it is Steve with SBL Games. Thanks for tuning in. On today's episode, we're doing a PS5 HDMI port replacement. Good thing we always include a cleaning, because this one needs it. We'll also be cleaning out this heatsink, the little mini heatsink here, as well as this main heatsink. Now, we haven't got in there yet, but it looks like it's going to be a barrel full of monkeys. So, of course, it is fun times. That's the power supply unit, by the way. And then the main heatsink's pretty gunked up too. I thought it was going to be a lot worse judging by when I first looked in. But yeah, we'll get that cleaned up as well. It's hard to capture on video. But that's liquid metal displacement. We'll take care of that as well for you. See it a little better on the APU. That black spot, that's not good. That's metal on metal heat. Alright, I got the port prepped. Let's go ahead and get it on. Sometimes they take a few go-throughs. There we go. Alright, so the post holes are all cleared out. Let's analyze the pins. Alright, so unfortunately we might have one jumper needed. It looks like this one on the far would be your guys' far right, I believe. My far left is appears to be torn. Not like completely torn off, but more so of like damaged. So let's go ahead and get this cleared up and see what we are up against. I always like to clear these holes as well. Get them nice and cleared out to where it easily takes the new post. Once we have the once we have the new port all prepped. Alright, so that takes care of that. I just gotta clear out the pins. Be able to find out if we need any jumpers in a moment here. Hopefully not. I do not enjoy jumpers. Alright, so luckily it looks like it was just the solder. Yeah. Alright, cool. So let's just get that cleared out now. Now that we got that prepped, and then we can put the new port on. There we go. Let's get some fresh solder. Go. Alright, let's get this new port on, get this job taken care of. Pretty sure today's business day number 5, so we want to try to stay within our ETA whenever possible. We are recovering from the whole Christmas endeavor. Alright, let's fill in these post holes and get this unit on the road. The finished product on the pins, or I'm sorry, pins on the posts. And that's the pins. Come on, clear up. And yay! So we are back in action. I just wish it would effing focus. There we go. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for watching.